we delve into the world of Scratch Junior, a playground of creativity and logic, 6 key buttons await, each a category of blocks. Begin with the yellow triggering blocks, initiating your creation, followed by blue motion blocks, directing characters' moves. Purple looks, blocks add personality. Green sounds, blocks breathe auditory life. Orange control blocks sequence events. Red end blocks denote actions end. It's akin to a car race. When the green flag waves, the race begins. Similarly, clicking Scratch Junior's green flag kickstarts your program. So embrace this space where your imagination meets action, your stories animate. Welcome to Scratch Junior, your digital storytelling canvas.